Use this meditation to make sure that your specific person will never leave you. Please use with caution. This is a very strong meditation, so please make sure you really love this person before listening. Now let's begin. They are obsessed with me. They always want to be around me. They can't leave me alone. They can't live without me. They are in pain without me. They are suffering without me. They feel incomplete without me. They never want to leave me. They can't stop talking about me to their friends. They always want my attention. They care for me. I'm the only one worth their love. They look after me. They are protective of me. They can't stop thinking about me. They are thinking about me right now in this moment. They are thinking about me before they go to sleep. They are thinking about me when they wake up. They have dreams of me. They only want me. I am the only person they are worthy of. I'm the only one they deserve. I'm the only one they desire. They think about me constantly. They can't stop thinking about me. Everything reminds them of me. They put me first. I'm their first and only choice. They beg for me to forgive them whenever they do something wrong. They treat me well. They know my worth. I know my worth. They know I am out of their league. They know that they can't live without me. They respect me. They cry themselves to sleep whenever I am mad at them. They can't stay mad at me for long. They love me. They love me more than they will and have ever loved anyone else. They put me before anything else in their life. They protect me. They make sure I am safe. They make sure I am happy. They don't let me be upset. They cheer me up when I am down. They are obsessed with my personality and my attractiveness. They have never felt this way before about anybody else. They can't stop thinking about me. They never stop thinking about me, even in their sleep. I'm always on their mind. They are absolutely obsessed with me. They always want to be around me. They always want to hug me. They always want to kiss me. They always want to hold me. They are attached to me. They can't imagine a life without me in it. They can't imagine a future without me in it. Their family loves me. Their family accepts me. Their family gets along with me. They are deep in love with me. Everyone realizes how much they are obsessed with me, and they point it out. Their friends tell me about how much they talk about me. Everyone notices how much they love me. People get jealous of how much they are in love with me. They know they won't get anyone better than me. They know I am worth a lot. They know I have my boundaries and they won't cross them. We have a healthy relationship, but they are very obsessed with me. They can't live without me. They chase me. They love me more than I love them. They are crazy in love with me. I am so desirable to them. They love being romantic with me. They do the most to be with me. I am comfortable in this relationship. I am happy in this relationship. I deserve their love. Nobody else deserves their love but me. They are there for me. I am the first person they want to talk to when they wake up, and the last person they want to talk to when they fall asleep. They are madly in love with me, like they are in a love coma. I deserve a long-lasting relationship with them. Nobody compares to me. They feel at home with me. Type, they are crazy in love with me to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.